Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video, let's do this tank here, the Russian twin turret tank. Yeah, let's start to clip away things. So just visually inspecting each part to see if it needs clipping away of anything. There we go. Cut away at these sprues and such. All right, and then I'm gonna clean it up here. Cleaning up those sprue marks and stuff. Alright, that little gun's good. That's the MG gun, I believe. This is the flamethrower one, I think. Last but not least, to clip away. Alright, so the clipping away process is done. So now let's start to glue together this tank. Just put some glue down like that. And then you're going to want to put this piece there. That can be done by having the help of the table and just putting that there to help glue that. And then let's go ahead and put a little glue here and a little glue there. And then let's guide that piece in as well, right there. And then, last but not least, actually not last, but not least either. Let's put this piece here. Fitting like a... Okay, glitch. Don't do that. You need to put some glue actually here and here. Probably be helpful too to put a little glue there as well. There you go. While that's all gluing together, let's start the gluing of these turrets together. Just put a little dab of glue in the bottom of each turret. Like so. Put that little cylinder there. That little cylinder there. That one there. Excellent. And then you got this one. Yep, so now let's glue these tracks together. So it's important before you put any glue down on these tracks to look. See how there's a bit of a difference with each one, that little piece. So yeah. Make sure that you, I mean, it's not a huge difference, but it is a difference. So you don't want both tracks to have those and then both tracks to have nothing. So yep, you get the idea. There you go, there's the tracks. Alright, so the next task for gluing together is, let's just put some glue down in the different spots there. And it's fairly easy, just put it down. It kind of slots into place there. So now let's get the same deal done on the other side. There you go. Like I said, that's fairly easy. All right, so there's the tank. You can put in your turrets. So you could mix and match. You could have the regular one with the little MG one, or you could have the little MG one with the flamethrower. Or here's another idea. You could have this gun on either side, I guess. And then you just put that piece and just have a single turret. Many options actually. So go have fun with that. And then if you actually wish to, well, that came apart. So, but I'm just gonna finish what I have to say. If you buy 2 of these sets, you could have a dual MG, because the other MG would come with the other set. So you'd have 2 MGs or whatever you wish. But for this one, let's go ahead and do that and that. Alright, thanks so much for watching. Available at miniaturetanks.com.